Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the problems with renewable energy. We have agreed that the renewable energy resources are fantastic as they are environmentally friendly. But at the same time, they are also unreliable. Let's see why the renewable energy resources are unreliable. Actually, the amount of electricity they generate depends on the conditions. For example, the hydroelectric renewable energy resource depends on the upland reservoir that could run dry. Regarding the wind or waves renewable energy resources, these resources are too weak on very calm days. Regarding the tidal renewable energy resources, they depend on the height of the tide, and actually it varies both on a monthly and yearly cycle. Regarding the solar renewable energy resources, it depends on the sun. There are no solar energy at night and it's variable during the day, if it's cloudy or rainy day. That's all. Thanks for watching.